Hi whole class. Today we're going to continue thinking about tens and ones. So let's have a look at this. So here we've got some counters. I'm going to put them on my tens frame because it's a little bit easier to see how many we have. So here we have a full tens frame, so that is 110. And then I have 5 more counters, which is 5. So I have 15. So we looked at that as 15 the other day, but if we pull that apart, if we partition 15, we have 110 and 5 ones. So it is 10 and 5, which makes 15. Let's have a look a little bit more. So what does this say? So we've got a full tens frame and one more. So if we've got a full tens frame, that is 110. So we have 10 and 1. Therefore we have 11. So we've got 11 equals 10 and 1. So we've got 110 and 1 more, which is 11. 10 and 1 equals 11. Or we could write the other way around as it is on there. 11 equals 10 and 1. Let's have a look at the next one. What does this one say? Have a little think, maybe write it down. So we have 12 equals 10 add 2. So we know 12, if we pull it apart, it's not a 1 and a 2, it's a 10 and a 2. Because if it was 1 and 2, we know 1 and 2 makes 3. That's definitely not the same as 12. So we must remember that our 1 is representing 10, because that 0 is hidden by our 1's number. So 12 equals 10 add 2. The next one. Can you write it down? Can you write the full number sentence? It doesn't matter which way you write it. So this time we've got 13 equals 10 add 3. So we've got a full tens frame and 3 more, which is 13. What about this one? We've got 14 equals 10 add 4. So again, if we partition 14, we pull it apart, we have 10 add 4. Bet you can guess what's coming up next. What's this one? So we have 15 equals 10 add 5. So if you want to continue doing the others up to 19, maybe have a go at 20 as well, pause the video, have a go at that. If not, I will be going through it one at a time if you just want to do it as we go along. So what does this one say? We've got 16 equals 10 add 6. What's about this one? We've got 17 equals 10 add 7. This one. Is 18 equals 10 add 8. And this one. Is 19 equals 10 add 9. Who had a go at 20? It is 10 add 10. Quite tricky though, isn't it? Because actually 20 is made up of 2 tens, and so it's just being mindful of that. We've not really gone on to that yet, but it was just a little bit of a challenge for you there. So 20 is made up of 2 tens. 10 add 10. Okay, what does this one say? I want you to write the number sentence or the number and what we would do if we pulled that number apart. So it is 10 add 7, which equals 17. We've got a full 10, 110, and we've got 7 ones, which is 17. What about now? How many pens do I have? I have got 5 ones and 1 10, so I've got 5 add 10, which is 15. What about now? 10 and 2 ones. 10 add 2 equals 12. What about how many fingers am I holding up? I have got 8 fingers and 10 fingers. 8 add 10 is 18. So what I want you to do is I have given you the number sentence and I want you to put those two back together to find out the answer. So I've partitioned them, you're going to put them together. So 10 add 1. If you had 1 10 and 1 1, what would it be? Pause the video, have a go, and then the answers will follow. And here are the answers. Give yourselves a tick. If you've not got something right, remember, ask your grown up, or don't forget to email Miss Crease and Mrs Jackson with anything that you've done. If you've got them all right, we still like to see those as well. So just remember, I hope you've got your tens number first and you've got all those the right way around. So well done, Hull class. There's another clip to come on partitioning on Friday. In the meantime, take care and stay safe.